Best tennis rackets. Are you looking for the best tennis rackets? In this video we will look at some of the best tennis rackets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Wilson Hyper Hammer 5.3. For over 25 years, the Wilson Hyper Hammer has been a favorite among tennis newcomers, offering the perfect blend of power, control, and comfort. Designed with beginners in mind, this best-selling racket features a lightweight 8.96-ounce frame, making it easy to swing for extended play sessions without the usual shoulder or elbow strain. Whether you're hitting ground strokes, volleys, or serves, the Hyper Hammer delivers effortless power, allowing beginners to quickly develop their skills and explore a variety of shot shapes. The 110 square inch oversized head provides a forgiving sweet spot, reducing mishits and boosting confidence on every stroke. Its well-balanced design ensures stability and control, making serves feel more precise and returns more manageable. The 27.5-inch length gives players an ideal reach while maintaining excellent maneuverability on the court. With multiple grip sizes available, finding a comfortable hold is easy, promoting proper technique and reducing fatigue during play. Beyond performance, the Hyper Hammer stands out for its incredible value. It combines mid-range level features with a beginner-friendly price, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious shoppers looking to enter the world of tennis without sacrificing quality. Whether you're just starting out or looking to upgrade from a junior racket, the Wilson Hyper Hammer is built to help you play longer, swing easier, and improve faster. Specifications: length, 27.5 inches. Weight, 8.96 ounces. Head size, 110 square in. Grip sizes, multiple available. Experience comfort, confidence, and performance on the court with the Wilson Hyper Hammer, your ideal beginner tennis companion. Number 2. Babolat Boost S. Trusted by players at every level, including top professionals, Babolat is a brand that consistently delivers performance and quality, and the Boost series is no exception. The Babolat Boost S is purpose-built for beginners, offering everything you need to improve your game without any unnecessary complications. Designed to give an extra boost to your returns, this racket combines power, control, and comfort, making it ideal for those just starting out or looking to level up from standard entry-level rackets. Constructed at just 9.8 ounces, the Boost S is light enough for effortless swings while still providing enough substance to confidently drive through shots. Its 102 square inch head strikes the perfect balance between forgiveness and precision, allowing beginners to hit more consistent returns while still developing their technique. The 27-inch length offers excellent maneuverability, while multiple grip sizes ensure a secure, comfortable hold tailored to your hand. What makes the Babolat Boost S particularly appealing is its affordability. Positioned as a beginner-focused racket, it delivers professional-level design features at a price that won't break the bank, making it an approachable choice for players who want to elevate their game without overspending. Whether you're practicing serves, rallying with friends, or preparing for your first tournament, the Boost S makes it easier to play longer, swing faster, and gain confidence on every shot. Specifications: length, 27 inches. Weight, 9.8 ounces. Head size, 102 square in. Grip sizes, multiple available. Experience the perfect combination of power, comfort, and control with the Babolat Boost S, the ideal beginner tennis racket to help you improve and enjoy every match. Number 3. Wilson Clash 108 V2. For beginners who are serious about tennis and want a racket that will grow with them, the Babolat Clash 108 V2 is an exceptional choice. While it comes at a higher price point, this racket delivers unmatched comfort, power, and control, making it a worthwhile investment for anyone dedicated to long-term play. Its thoughtfully engineered design ensures that every swing feels smooth and responsive, helping beginners develop proper technique while enjoying a forgiving, comfortable experience on the court. The Clash 108 V2 features a 108 square inch enlarged sweet spot, giving extra forgiveness on off-center hits and reducing mishits, a crucial feature for beginners building confidence in their game. At 10.48 ounces, the racket offers enough substance to generate powerful strokes while remaining comfortable and easy to handle for extended rallies. Its 27.25-inch length provides excellent reach and maneuverability, ideal for a variety of shots, from serves to volleys. Multiple grip sizes ensure a secure and comfortable hold for every player. Beyond performance, the Clash 108 V2 is built to last. Unlike cheaper sub-$100 rackets, this model is designed to withstand years of regular play, making it a smart long-term choice for serious beginners. Investing in a high-quality racket like this from the start helps players improve faster, enjoy the game more, and avoid the need to upgrade prematurely. Specifications: length, 27.25 inches. Weight, 10.48 ounces. Head size, 108 square in. Grip sizes, multiple available. Experience the perfect blend of comfort, control, and durability with the Babolat Clash 108 V2, a premium beginner racket built to elevate your game for years. Number 4. Head Geo Speed. The Geo Speed tennis racket is an excellent choice for beginners or recreational players looking for a reliable, affordable racket. Crafted by one of tennis's most trusted brands, the Geo Speed combines durability, ease of use, and a forgiving design to help new players get the most out of every session on the court. Its strong construction ensures it can handle regular play while still providing a comfortable experience for those just starting out. Designed with a 27.5-inch length, this racket is perfect for players with shorter swings, offering extra reach and leverage to make consistent contact with the ball. The 105 square inch head provides a generous sweet spot, reducing mishits and improving confidence for beginners still learning proper technique. At 10.4 ounces, the Geo Speed is light enough to swing comfortably while still offering enough weight to deliver solid shots. Multiple grip sizes make it easy to find the right fit for every player, enhancing control and comfort during extended play. While it doesn't offer the high-end features of professional-level rackets, the Geo Speed excels as a value-focused option. Whether you're just getting into tennis, adding a secondary racket to your gear closet, or looking for a weekend recreational stick, this model delivers an impressive feature-to-dollar ratio that beginners will appreciate. Its combination of size, comfort, and durability makes it an ideal starting point for developing your game without breaking the bank. Specifications: length, 27.5 inches. Weight, 10.4 ounces. Head size, 105 square in. Grip sizes, multiple available. The Geo Speed tennis racket is the perfect balance of affordability, comfort, and playability for newcomers to the sport. Number 5. Wilson Burn 100 ULS V5. Bring a touch of pro-level technology to your game with the head-oversized beginner tennis racket. Trusted by champions like Novak Djokovic for over a decade, Head has perfected the balance of power, control, and comfort, and now, you can enjoy the same innovation at a fraction of the cost. Designed for beginners, this racket combines the durability and performance of a top-tier brand with a sub-$100 price tag, making it one of the best values for new players. With a 115 square inch oversized head, this racket provides a generous sweet spot, allowing beginners to make consistent contact and hit more accurate shots even on off-center hits. Its 27.75 inch length offers extra reach for ground strokes and volleys, helping newcomers cover the court with ease. At only 8 ounces unstrung, the Head beginner racket is light enough for effortless swings while still offering enough stability to produce powerful returns. Built for simplicity without sacrificing performance, this racket is ideal for players just learning the game or anyone seeking a reliable recreational option. The combination of Head's proven technology and beginner-friendly design ensures you can practice longer, play more confidently, and enjoy every session on the court. Multiple grip sizes allow you to find the perfect fit, enhancing comfort and control with every swing. Specifications: length, 27.75 inches. Weight, 8 ounces, unstrung. Head size, 115 square in. Grip sizes, multiple available. Elevate your beginner game with the Head oversized beginner tennis racket, a perfect mix of professional-inspired tech, comfort, and affordability.